Welcome to the demonstration of our steam vacuum capping machine. It can work in sync with a front-end filling machine. Our cap feeder system effortlessly handles and supplies the caps. The sensor on the cap track detects the presence of caps, ensuring the cap feeder operates precisely. Once filled, the bottles smoothly enter the steam vacuum capping machine for the next stage. The bottles pass through the cap track, and the caps naturally hang on the bottle necks without any additional operation. Now, the bottles move into the capping mechanism, where the caps are securely tightened using steam vacuum technology. After successful capping, the bottles emerge from the machine, ready for the next stage. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on Zonesun.